every time moves at a gentle pace. Sunshine falling, flowers bloom in our cozy island home. La 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 under the trees, dancing with the summer breeze. Every day feels like a dream in this town so warm and sweet. Friends are gathering all around, making memories, joy we found. Simple life, but oh so bright. Everything just